Lesson 2 SCP-2 Read para 4 to 6 silently and answer the question. ଦ୍ୱିତୀୟ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟାୟ 4ରୁ 6 ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଅନୁଚ୍ଛେଦ ନିରବରେ ପଢ଼ ଏବଂ ତଳଲିଖିତ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନଗୁଡ଼ିକର ଉତ୍ତର ଦିଅ. When the man left, the wife said, "It's good that he did not ask for more. Did you see how happily he ate?" asked the old man. "My hunger had disappeared, seeing him eat happily," said his wife. ଯେତେବେଳେ ଲୋକଟି ଚାଲିଗଲା, ସେ ବୁଢ଼ୀର ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ କହିଲେ, "ସବୁଠାରୁ ଭଲ ହେଲା, ସେ ଆମକୁ ଆଉ ଅଧିକ ଖାଇବା ପାଇଁ ମାଗିଲା ନାହିଁ। ତୁମେ ଦେଖିଲ ସେ କେତେ ଖୁସିରେ ଖାଉଥିଲା।" ବୁଢ଼ାଟି କହିଲା। ତାର ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ ଉତ୍ତର ଦେଲା, "ସେ ଖୁସିରେ ଖାଉଥିବାର ଦେଖି ମୋର ଭୋକ ଚାଲିଗଲା। I too feel that way," told the old man. Both of them decided to go to bed without food. The old man went to the kitchen to shut the door, but what did she see? ବୁଢ଼ାଟି କହିଲା, "ମୁଁ ସେହିପରି ଭାବୁଥିଲି, ନ ଖାଇ ଶୋଇବାକୁ ଯିବି ବୋଲି ଉଭୟ ସ୍ଥିର କଲେ।" ବୁଢ଼ୀଟି ଦ୍ୱାର ବନ୍ଦ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ରୋଷେଇ ଘରେ ପ୍ରବେଶ କଲେ, କିନ୍ତୁ ସେ କ'ଣ ଦେଖିଲେ? The bread and the glass of milk was still there. Coming close she could see not just 2 pieces, but 6 or 8 pieces of bread and a full glass of milk. She loudly called her husband, "Come and see what had happened here." ରୁଟି ଓ କ୍ଷୀର ଗ୍ଲାସ୍ ସେହିପରି ଥିଲା। ନିକଟକୁ ଆସି ଦେଖିଲା, 2 ଖଣ୍ଡ ରୁଟି ବଦଳରେ 6 କିମ୍ବା 8 ଖଣ୍ଡ ରୁଟି ଏବଂ ସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ 1 ଗ୍ଲାସ୍ କ୍ଷୀର ତାଙ୍କ ରୋଷେଇ ଘରେ ଅଛି। ସେ ବଡ଼ ପାଟିରେ ତାର ସ୍ୱାମୀକୁ ଡାକିଲା, "ଆସ ଦେଖ, ଏଠାରେ କ'ଣ ହୋଇଛି?" The old man came and was surprised to see what had happened. They did not think of eating. They thought of the poor beggar who ate only 2 pieces of bread and half a glass of milk. They wished they should have given him more to eat. ଏସବୁ ଦେଖି ବୁଢ଼ାଟି ବହୁତ ଆଶ୍ଚର୍ଯ୍ୟ ହୋଇଗଲା। ସେମାନେ ଖାଇବା ପାଇଁ ଚିନ୍ତା କଲେ ନାହିଁ। ଯେଉଁ ଲୋକଟି 2 ଖଣ୍ଡ ରୁଟି ଏବଂ ଅଧ ଗ୍ଲାସ୍ କ୍ଷୀର ଖାଇଥିଲା, ସେମାନେ ସେହି ଗରିବ ଲୋକଟି କଥା ଚିନ୍ତା କଲେ। ସେମାନେ ଇଚ୍ଛା କଲେ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ଅଧିକ ଦିଆଯାଇ ପାରିଥାନ୍ତା। Comprehension. Answer the question. ବୋଧମୂଳକ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନାବଳୀ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନଗୁଡ଼ିକର ଉତ୍ତର ଦିଅ। Number 1. What did the old woman say? Thank God he did not ask for more. ଈଶ୍ୱରଙ୍କୁ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ, ସେ ଅଧିକ ମାଗିଲା ନାହିଁ। ଏକଥା ବୁଢ଼ୀଟି କାହିଁକି କହିଲା? The old woman said, "Thank God he did not ask for more, because they had no more food left." ଏହି କଥା ବୁଢ଼ୀଟି କହିଲା କାରଣ ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଆଉ କିଛି ନଥିଲା। Number 2. Were the couple happy to see the stranger eat the food? How do you know? ତୁମେ କିପରି ଜାଣିଲ ଯେ ବୃଦ୍ଧ ଦମ୍ପତି ଲୋକଟି ଖାଉଥିବାର ଦେଖି ବହୁତ ଖୁସି ହେଲେ? Yes, the couple were happy to see the stranger eat the food. The given 2 sentences say that. Did you see how happily he 8. Said the old man, my hunger was disappeared, seeing him eat happily, said his wife. Number 3. Why did the old woman go to kitchen? ବୁଢ଼ୀଟି କାହିଁକି ରୋଷେଇ ଘରକୁ ଗଲା? The old woman went to the kitchen to shut the door. ବୁଢ଼ୀଟି ରୋଷେଇ ଘରକୁ ଗଲା କାରଣ ରୋଷେଇ ଘରର କବାଟ ବନ୍ଦ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଥିଲା। Number 4. What did she see there? ସେଠାରେ ସେ କ'ଣ ଦେଖିଲେ? She saw the bread and the glass of milk was still there. ସେ ସେଠାରେ ଦେଖିଲା ସେଇ ବ୍ରେଡ୍ ଏବଂ ଏକ ଗ୍ଲାସ୍ କ୍ଷୀର ସେଠାରେ ହିଁ ଅଛି। Number 5. How many pieces of bread were there? କେତେ ଖଣ୍ଡ ରୁଟି ସେଠାରେ ଥିଲା? 6 to 8 pieces of bread were there. ସେଠାରେ 6ରୁ 8 ଖଣ୍ଡ ବ୍ରେଡ୍ ଥିଲା। Number 6. Did they think of eating the bread or about the beggar? ସେମାନେ ରୁଟି ଖାଇବା କଥା କିମ୍ବା ଭିକାରୀଟି କଥା ଭାବିଲେ? They did not think of eating the bread, but they thought about the beggar. Number 7. Why did they think of the beggar? ସେମାନେ କାହିଁକି ଭିକାରୀ କଥା ଭାବିଲେ? They thought they should have given more food to the poor beggar. ସେମାନେ ଭିକାରୀ କଥା ଭାବିଲେ କାରଣ ସେମାନେ ତାକୁ ଆହୁରି ଅଧିକ ଖାଦ୍ୟ ଦେଇ ପାରିଥାନ୍ତେ। Number 8. Suppose the stranger would have come again. What would they have done? ମନେକର ସେ ଅଜଣା ଲୋକଟି ପୁଣି ଆସିଥାନ୍ତା, ତେବେ ସେମାନେ କ'ଣ କରିଥାନ୍ତେ? If the stranger came again, they would give him more food to eat. ମନେକର ସେ ଅଜଣା ଲୋକଟି ପୁଣି ଆସିଥାନ୍ତା, ତାହେଲେ ସେମାନେ ତାକୁ ଆଉ ଖାଇବା ପାଇଁ ଦେଇଥାନ୍ତେ। Number 9. Do you think the title of the story is all right? Does it need improvement? If yes, why? ବିଷୟଟିର ନାମକରଣ ଠିକ୍ ହୋଇଛି କି ଏହାର ଉନ୍ନତିକରଣ ଦରକାର କରୁଛି କି? I did not think the title of the story is all right. Yes, it needs improvement as the title should be based on the generosity of the old couple. Number 10. Suggest a suitable title. Which title will be better, the old couple or the kind old couple? ଗୋଟିଏ ଉପଯୁକ୍ତ ନାମକରଣ କର, କେଉଁଟି ଭଲ ହେବ? The old couple କିମ୍ବା the kind old couple? The better title should be the kind old couple. Number 11. Do you like the old couple? Why? ତୁମେ ସେଇ ବୃଦ୍ଧ ଦମ୍ପତିକୁ ଭଲ ପାଅ କି କାହିଁକି? Yes, I like the old couple because they were very kind and generous. Number 8. MCQS. Choose the right answer from the option. ବିକଳ୍ପ ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ମଧ୍ୟରୁ ସଠିକ୍ ଉତ୍ତର ବାଛ। Number 8. How was the weather outside? Windy. Number 2. The old couple had only 2 pieces of bread and half a glass of milk. Number 3. The old couple were poor and kind. Number 5. When the old woman went to the kitchen, siphon, dags. 8 pieces of bread and a glass of milk. Number B. Match A with B to know who said what. କିଏ କ'ଣ କହିଛି ଜାଣିବା ପାଇଁ ଏ ସ୍ତମ୍ଭକୁ ବି ସ୍ତମ୍ଭ ସହ ମିଳାଅ। Stranger, I have not eaten for 2 days. Old man, I too feel that way. Old woman, somehow we will manage tonight. Old man, let hope for the future. ନମ୍ବର ବି ଶିକ୍ଷକଙ୍କ କଥା ଶୁଣ ଏବଂ ଶୂନ୍ୟସ୍ଥାନ ପୂରଣ କର। It was noon. It was time for lunch. ଗୋପବନ୍ଧୁ had worked hard that day helping poor people suffering from cholera. He had just come home to have lunch. Number A. See the word beggar-like in para 3. This is made up 2 words like and beggar. Make similar words using the words given at the left. Like teacher, teacher-like. Like baby, baby-like. Like mother, mother-like. Like father, father-like. Like son, son-like. Like daughter, daughter-like. Number C. Deepak played cricket the whole of Sunday afternoon and came home very hungry. His mother gave him food. He ate the food too. His heart content and finished what was given to him in no time.